The Maserati Shamal is such an interesting car produced from 1990 to 1996. It's a two-door model designed by Marcello Gandini. It's known for its impressive performance and unique design. The name Shamal comes from the Arabic word for north wind, which reflects the car's powerful and dynamic nature. What makes it even cooler is that only 369 units were made, making it incredible rare. Hey everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing great. Today, we are going to unbox this and see how it looks in person. As it's even made in Hot Wheels model, the latest 2025 Hot Wheels series includes a 1:64 scale version of Maserati Shamal, designed by Sean Mogadam. This diecast is a part of Hot Wheels Metro series and features detailed rim, badging, and realistic design. So far, it looks awesome. The red color is great and the detailing on this diecast car is spot on. What's not to love about it? I'm really impressed. Have you been able to find this? Leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you already subscribed, make sure to like, share, and comment. And as always, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting. See you next time.